I choose the life without electricity may be one of the worst that will happen in our life because without electricity, our works will not be easy as it is now and it will be hard for us to work because the chores that we will do will multiply more and more just because of the electricity shortage. Another effect of it is without electricity, electricity plays a big role in our lives. Without it, we may not be able to watch television, and also my cell phone help me to our daily life and to our study like online class, Microsoft, and also the Google Meet. Use appliances like electric kettle, radio, and electric fan and other appliances.